Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a what's in my bag. I've never done one of these before and I want to see what fits in this bag because I'm not sure what's going to fit in my Pillow Tabby 26 because it doesn't look super spacious, but we'll see if it fits enough, fits what I need anyway. There's no way in hell it's going to fit my tripod. It's just not. No, I don't see it happening. I don't foresee it. So here is the lovely Pillow Tabby. Oh yes. I need to cut the tag off, christen her. What am I gonna name her? Peach? Like from Super Mario? Peachy. Peachy's got it! I always played Peach so much in Mario Party because no one would let me play Yoshi. They always took Yoshi. So I was Peach. Because there's no way in hell I was going to be a Waluigi, like, what the heck. So, first things first, one of my most important things that I put in my bag would be my new wristlet that I got at the same time as my Tabby. I got this little petunia colored wristlet. I took the hand strap on because, like, I use it to organize, so I got a little stamp of it of a paw because, you know, I'm a cat mom. As you can see right there, my cat walking by. And it's really soft, nice pebbled leather. I like it a lot. And I just keep all my charging wires or like headphones in there because I don't like them to get all messed up in my purse. But I'm actually also going to put my keys in there because I don't want them to scratch the inside of the bag because it's all Napa leather and it would scratch the hell out of the bag. So we're going to put that in there as well. And let's see if this bag is going to fit this. Or if it's too tall. No, it looks like it'll close. It like sticks up at the top, but it's fine. But I think I'll put it at the front. Just because it has more pillowy stuff and at the front. So I don't want to like stick all my things and squish it. So my main wallet that I'm currently using is the Studio wallet in the jacquard and glove tan leather, and it's kind of a thick wallet, so I don't honestly think this will fit. I think I'm gonna have to switch to my other wallet. I mean, it actually, okay, wait, it fits, but the fact that it fits, like, I don't think I'm gonna fit my other stuff because I like to carry my power bank for charging my phone, which, yeah, that's just not gonna fit. I think I may have to switch to this wallet for this bag. It's I'm not sure what this wallet's called, but I have a new wallet that's supposed to be coming soon, which is called a skinny wallet, so I think that would fit better. But yeah, because I want to carry my charger and I still need room for my AirPods and my phone, so, and there's no rear pocket on this bag, so yeah. I might slip the portable charger in the front, so I'm going to put my portable charger in the front. I got a small portable charger too, so it's like actually I'll squeeze that over to the side like that. And I should be able to stick my AirPods in right here. I got this cute little case from Casetify with these cats because I'm a cat lady. You know, you know. And it's also like a pink color because I like shades of pink, as you can see by all the colors that I have. I have the iPhone 13 Pro. And I got my Ghost case on it right now. And I got a lens protector on it because, like, when you just stick it in a bag, you gotta be careful. That could get wrecked. So I'm just gonna slip that in there and we'll see if I can fit my wallet. No, this wallet is too much. So we'll see if we can fit this wallet in. So I'm gonna have to switch to this wallet. Yes. I don't know. This is kind of a tight squeeze. I don't know. Can I even put a wallet in this? Or should I just take my... Should I just put my wires in the middle section instead? Because this is like occupying a lot of room. Then I have no spot to put masks though. In this one. Yeah, I feel like it's a bit crowded, so I'll try doing this rather than using this in this bag, because this bag is not as big as I would think it is. I'm going to put my charger in there and my headphones and my keys in the middle. And this is just a like guest thing that was on one of my guest purses, but I should maybe like take off these little embellishments because they take up a lot of room. So I'm just gonna have the one thing on it. Like that. And then we'll see if we can fit my big wallet in there, but I have a feeling it's going to be a no-go. So I guess my wristlet's a no for this purse. Okay, so we can zip that up. And I'm going to see if this fits. I mean, it fits, but because of this large buckle, it's just squishing against it. So I'm gonna have to switch everything over to this wallet. So I'll just put this wallet in to show like that's what I'm putting in. And then you can see this is what all fits. So phone and portable charger, AirPods in the front. We got my wires and keys in the middle so it doesn't scratch up the inside of the bag, and then a skinny wallet in the back, and that's that. That's it. That's all. That's all. That's it. That's all that's gonna fit. And it closes. Great success. So yeah, I don't know what people were thinking when they fit a lot in this bag, but I don't know. It's not. Maybe I just have big things, because like, look how thick this wallet is when you consider the buckle is quite thick. So I guess I could see why it doesn't fit. So yeah, I'll switch to that slim wallet for now, and yeah, I'm going to be rocking this bag for Halloween. Super cute. I'm going to have to watch other people's what fits in my bag videos for this, because I wonder if I can utilize the space better and I'm just not using it efficiently, but I think I did a decent job. I could probably fit a few more things in it, but I got my essentials in there. Like, you gotta have backups to your AirPods, you gotta have the wired earphones in case your AirPods die, and you gotta have the external battery for charging your phone, especially if you want to do filming out and about, which I do. So yeah, that's that. That's one of my new bags. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching my what's in my bag. I know it was kind of short video because I already knew exactly what was going in here, but yeah, it's my first time showing what's in my bag. I don't even carry like lip gloss and stuff with me. Like, I should start doing that. But I lost my lip gloss. I had a little container of Laneige lip sleeping mask, and that's usually like what I put on my lips all the time because they get really dry and I like need to hydrate them. But my cats think it's like a toy, and then they just go pew, and then it's gone. And I lost 2 of them, so yeah, I would put that in my bag if I could find it. That would be the next thing I put in my bag, so when I find it. Or maybe I have to get another one, but yeah. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like purse stuff and art, because I do both of those things. I mean, I don't do purses. I get purses, and I like purses. But you know what I mean. Subscribe and like and comment and all that good stuff. I appreciate the love on my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.